Hey everyone, good morning, good evening. This is Ankush and welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, this is going to be very quick tips. Okay, so I was working the project, the data sets. My client has asked, "Hey Ankush, can you please give me because they don't want to exclude the future data sets, but they want a kind of the line which tells you what is my the current date or what is my current week, or we can say what is my current month. Okay, which tells you, okay, it give me kind of the reference line which tells you the label. Okay, this is my current date, and it automatically keeps changing when day will change end of the day. Okay, I think you got my point. What I wanted to say. Okay, so the meaning is, let's say today is the 25th of March, and you can see I have created the one reference line over here. It tells me, okay, what is the date, what is the time, and I have put it especially here for the current one, which tells you, okay, this is your the third is the current one, and this is your the current date. If you want, you can remove for the current month if you are not making sense here. Okay, it's up to you. Okay, so this is a very real time kind of the situation or the ask. They don't want to exclude the future data, but they want a kind of the give me the line which tells you, okay, here this is my current date, which I am currently right now. Okay, so how can we create this kind of the reference line in a Tableau? Okay, this is going to be very easy. So you have the order date. Okay, so you need to remember one thing, in order that should be or the continuous one. Okay, so let's say I'll have the month continuous, and let's say I'll take the profit. Okay, this is going to be the line chart. Okay, in x-axis I have the month, and y have the profit numbers. Okay, now I want because if you see, if you scan this data, you have to be very sure, okay, what is the current month. Okay, it's not going to tell you the current one. You have to, unless or until, you have to very focus about the, okay, this is my the current month, maybe over here. Okay, so that's why the client has asked, give me the kind of the line which tells you the current date or the current month. Okay, it's easy to understand for the end user. Okay, this is my current month or current date where I am right now. Okay, so let's say it's very easy. Right click on the x-axis, add reference line. Okay, create new. I've already created the parameter create month. Let me create the new parameter create. Uh, let's say let's take the new month as of now. Click OK. That's it. Okay. Now you can see you have the one reference line over here, and you have the new month. Right click, format. Okay. And let's say I wanted to, it should be my kind of the red line. It should be my dotted line. Okay. And my alignment should be the top. Okay. Now format this, right click, or maybe add it. I don't want any kind of the tooltip. I want label should be my custom, and I want values. Okay. I wanted to see the date and time. Okay, and I don't want to put my the current month or current date, whatever it is, that it's already tell this is my current date. Okay, now this is the fully dynamic, fully what we say, if day change, the reference line will change, and this keeps going until your like your year will end. Okay, so that's how they want. Okay, I also suggested, if like suppose they want the product start date or product end date, they wanted to compare the sales. Like say, this is my the product. sales as per the parameter. Okay, product launch date, and this is my product end date. All are the with driven on the parameter. They wanted to what is the sales on the between those dates. I can also give them, but they are okay with this kind of the solution. That's why I've created that. But I suggested if they want, I can create those to the product launch date, product end, and what is the difference between or what is the trend on those kind of the dates. Okay, let's see. But now they are okay with that, so I've created that. So that's like I wanted to like share with you this kind of the trick. Hope I make sense. If you like this video, please make sure to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching this.